At Answer, our days begin the same way they end. Building relationships with our community. In the Tri-City area, most people know us for heating, cooling, and indoor air quality. But for us, it's more than that. It's a tradition, forged over 3 generations by the hardworking men and women at Answer. A daily ritual of making sure the people of our Michigan communities stay safe and comfortable in their homes. Something that all of us are proud to do. Because a job well done means so much more than a paycheck. It's the satisfaction of knowing we truly helped someone and offered lasting solutions, all while creating long-lasting friendships through honest, hard work. That is what we do at Answer Heating and Cooling.